So we are talking about window pattern. Okay. Okay. So I am talking about window pattern. And now let's discuss what is the meaning of this window pattern and what is the significance of this window pattern and how we can trade this pattern. Okay. So window pattern is nothing but it's a kind of gap. So after an uptrend or after a downtrend, generally we see several times in an intraday basis, generally market opens on a gap up. There is a gap up opening which happens. Okay. And as per the current trading strategy, few of you are waiting for the retracement and then you will be taking entries and that. And in that case, what happens that we are missing many trades. Okay. So this is one way. This is one way to trade that gap ups and gap down. I am just sharing you the logic for it. So the market will be an uptrend and there will be a gap up, and the difference between the gap of the first candle and the second candle or the last candle, what you can say. So I am talking about these two candles. I am talking about these two candles. So this is one candle which has opened on a gap, and this is the previous candle which was there. So there was a gap up opening. Okay. So this gap up opening will act as a support. This gap up opening will act as a support. And in the case of bear trend, if the market is falling, the market is in downtrend, and then there is a gap down opening, then this gap will work as a resistance. So this is one of the important patterns. So whenever there is a retracement which is happening on an intraday basis after the gap up, and a retracement which is happening into the gap, and you are seeing a wick on the lower side and the candles are getting closed on upside like that, then you can always take a long entry here and just place the stop loss below this low. So your risk reward will be very much less. So the high of this candle, high of the previous candle will be the stop loss. Okay, just below the low of that, and you have to wait for the closing. I am not talking about tick. So suppose if there is a tick and then it closed above this gap, it is not a kind of a stop loss which has triggered. So you have to wait for the closing prices, that candle is getting closed below this gap or not. If the candle is getting closed below this gap, then we will say that this is not relevant. Now this gap is not relevant. But several times for intraday opportunity, you will see this pattern which you will be seeing working here.